subscribers. Here we go again. We have another special Amazon review. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now. And hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Today we have a special unboxing courtesy of UME Solar Floodlight. Definitely check them out if you're in the need for a new solar for your home, your sheds, anywhere that needs extra lighting for security purposes. Scare away the bad guys, you know. And this has 180 degree sensing angle, which others don't. This is definitely a unique, high quality, super premium technology. They have 332 LED bulbs throughout. You can see right there. Amazing solar. Sorry for the fingerprints, because I've been starting to do install, because I got the bracket. So you get 2 of these, and of course 2 of these to install. So I have the other bracket outside right now. I'm just trying to figure out where I'm going to install it. But this has waterproof, IP65 waterproof. Also, like I said, 332 LED, 25% increase in solar energy conversion rate. So this is huge if you want to save money without wires and everything else. You know, this is the way to go. Got the back looking like that. And then down here, here's the switches that you could turn 3 different modes off, 1, 2, and 3. There we go. And like I said, this is just simply amazing. You can go like this, have it kind of like a box. You can have it like this, point it down, see 180 degree angle. I mean, this is just crazy good. If you're looking for the new technology, this is it. Well made. Really happy with this purchase. So like I said, you guys can order now. You might want to get a couple just in case. And we got the sensing right here, and then you can switch. Right now it's off. Here is number 1. I'm gonna flip it like this. Here we go. Super bright, like I said. And then here's the other one. We'll both keep them at 1 settings for now. And it goes throughout, you know, different modes. There we go. So look at that, 332 LEDs, super bright, waterproof, 180 degree turns, like that. You got the sensor. I'll show you how it is in the nighttime. Like I said, it's easy to install. And really quick. But like I said, I gotta figure out what spot I'm gonna have these running at. So, and here's number 2. Kind of leaves it like that. And number 2. Now we're at 2. Amazing. Here we go. Man, this phone does not like these lights. Well, they are super bright. See the motion? It'll go off. And also, it scares the critters away too. So, I mean, it's a win-win. You save 20% with the panel. The panel is an impressive 20% increase in solar energy conversion rate. And like I also said, there's 332 LED lights and solar powered functionality. So, I mean, this is just, let the sun charge it, you're good to go. You have it on the bottom like this. Alright, gonna go like this. I have bolts on the bottom. It all depends. You have it for your small business, your home, backyard, your sheds, your garage. Give your neighbor one. You never know. But amazing stuff right here. Oops. Here we go. And then the final step will be the number 3. We'll switch that right now. And that's the last one. So this is the third and final one to pick. There we go. Oh, see, much brighter. But definitely check them out if you're in the market. I mean, they do work great, and you will not be disappointed with the UME Solar floodlights. Oh, there we go. See a little motion. It takes a second, you know how that goes. So, like I said, if you're looking, click that link down below. You don't have to look too far. It's right there. Be safe. Have a good night. Here it is, mode off. That's what it is when it's off with the first switch. You could have it turned off if you wanted. We are outside. Whoa, pretty trippy out. Here we go. Here is mode 2. Now we're gonna let that shut off and then walk past by it. As you can see, it's pretty bright. Shines right on that window. There we go. Watch this. Boom. Really bright. Definitely notice that through the window. If somebody creeps around your house. In mode 3 is switched. See, there's a switch. All you gotta do is push it and slide it, so you're good to go. Now this is gonna be showing up in 1 second. Let's see if I could trick it. There we go. Boom. And let me turn off that light. You can see how bright this is. Now this is gonna be always on, so you're gonna have it on, but it's gonna get brighter once it picks up. You can see. There you go. See, it's always running, but it's on low. And as soon as somebody creeps on by, boom. So much brighter. Definitely check them out. UME. Links will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night. And like I said, they got other options to buy. 2 packs. I would buy a couple of them if you got a big house. There you go. Check them out. Be safe.